Hi again, everybody. This is Kevin of Bear Creek Honey, and this is a very short project video. And what I'm going to do is, or what I did was, I made use of a broken uh, 10 frame deep box, and I made it into a shaker box. And it's just something to do to make good use of broken equipment. The lip actually had broken when and this came in shipping this way, and I had glued it and tried to staple it in place. But one time when I was prying frames out or whatever, it snapped off, and I was just going to toss this box, but I kept it around. You know, it might make good cover for syrup on a box or whatever. But all I did was I took a plane excluder and I positioned my staples to staple. Your staple gun, a typical 1/4 inch staple gun, will not go through this metal band around the edge, but it will if you put it at a slight angle. You can get your staples to go around these wires. So well, that's all I did was staple it down, and that's it. And in order to make a shaker box, and what the shaker box does, just for those of you that don't know, is if you're ever doing splits and you don't know if your queen is in the top box or the bottom box, you can take all the frames from the top box and shake them into this, and all the bees will go down, and the only one left in here will be the queen. You can't get through the queen excluder, and then you'll be able to pick her up and set her aside while you finish your project or whatever you're doing. But it's an easy way of finding your queen without sitting and scanning every frame for her. If you're in a rush, if you got a lot of hives to do, a lot of splits, a lot of work to do, shaker boxes can make all the difference in the world. Now, one of the things that you do is you take a little duct tape, and I couldn't believe that this actually works, but it does. You take a little duct tape and duct tape the edges. Got myself a sliver there. Okay, now you do that, and then you also come back and put a little strip right at the bottom. So a nice wide strip of duct tape. And the reason you do that, and I'll tell you, is because for some unknown reason, bees do not like the feel of the duct tape. So you'll shake them in there and they won't actually climb out. So the queen will stay here, she'll stay in, she'll probably find her in a corner. And then, you know, most of the bees, they'll get up here and they'll turn around, they'll walk down. Some of them will walk up, but you put this duct tape around, you know, all four sides, and a very simple project for you to do, to utilize some old broken equipment. You can use new equipment if you want. I guess that's up to you. But duct tape is cheap, obviously. And there you go. Now you got yourself a 10 frame shaker box. So I hope that helped somebody. Got any questions or comments? Leave it below. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. Otherwise, we'll see you next time. Happy beekeeping.